time for a new look. Update your Discord profile picture and express yourself within a few taps. But make sure to save this video for your future reference. Hello everyone, I'm Jasmine from Take My Life and today I'll walk you through the process of how to change your profile picture on Discord. It's pretty simple and quick, so let's get started with the video. First, open the Discord app on your device. At the bottom of your screen, look for your profile icon. Tap it to open your profile page. Once you are on your profile page, you will see the Edit Profile button right below your username. Tap on it to start editing. Here you will see your current profile picture. Tap on the profile picture to change it. A menu will appear giving you the option to upload image. Select it to pick a new photo from your device. Now browse through your gallery and pick an image you would like to use. You can select a photo from your camera roll or even a cool artwork, whatever reflects your style. After selecting the image, you can crop or adjust it to fit the profile frame. Make sure the image looks good. And tap the tick mark at the top to confirm. Once you're happy with your new change, tap Save at the top right corner to finalize and apply the changes. So this is how to change your profile picture on Discord. Thank you for watching Take My Life. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.